Sup YouTube, and today I'm gonna be showing you some cool secrets. So when there's no connection, you can do that. So then look, this dinosaur game. So come on, go. No. Come on, go. So now number two. Number two. So I'll get to connect. So number two. Do a barrel. So, number two, do a barrel. So do a barrel. See? Now if you really want to play Pac-Man, then just type in Pac-Man. So that, yeah, number three, so Pac-Man, yeah. So like that. Let's see. So now let's Google some more secrets. Let's see. So Google. So Google gravity. So the next one is Google gravity. Google gravity. I'm feeling lucky. So Google. So come on, work. Yeah. So you can still type right here. Like YouTube. Okay, so you can still type in the search bar. So sign in.